without Excel. Let's say, for example, we have two files in the directory, and what we want to do, we want to add data from fields file to coastal field file. Particularly what we want to do, we want to add carrots after potatoes. This can be easily done using our software Advanced ETL Processor. Let me show how. Let's start from creating a workflow. Let's call it merge cell files. And we add action. To the workflow, and we need to select the file. Will be the files we'll be adding data to. Want to edit after the last sheet. And our source file is field. And sheet is called cards. It might fail if I type it the name or the wrong name, but let's try running it and see if it works. Okay, it worked fine. Let's see the file. And here we have carrots. Excellent, that was very easy. I hope you'll find this tutorial useful. If you have any questions about automating working with Excel, without Excel, please go to our support forum and we'll do our best to help you. And please like and subscribe. Thank you, bye.